Hey, what's up, guys? In this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to borrow money on Pampi. So the first thing you have to do is to come down to Google Play Store and search for Pampi. Then you'll be able to see this particular page. Then I currently have Pampi on my phone already. That is why it's showing uninstall or open. But if you haven't download the Palmpay app yet, so all you need to do is just to click on the install, so it will download, and after downloading you can proceed on to open. And once you open, they'll ask you to do all the necessary registration, which are very much important. And I also like to walk you through some reviews about Palmpay app that is currently dropping by the users who are having experiencing about the Palmpay app, so you see what you'll be experiencing as well. And sometimes some kind issue that people used to complain are likely to be fixed before you try to use the app to borrow money. And then the features on Palmpay app are kind of like more different, because the app have a lot of features which of course people can actually face different kind of issue within the app. So like this person now, the app is excellent and offer instant and immediate transaction. If transaction fail, it will be processed. It will be processing and reverse automatically. My issue about the app is biometric. Setting its biometric for transfer or airtime completion is another stress, because you have to verify it each time you want to process transfer. Why can't it be for once? If What if you don't have network? uh, get the verification code or using a different sim for data option, just like Outlook. you receive lately you receive lately, which sometimes is no longer. I don't have any issue with this because I set it up once with my biometrics and everything worked perfectly. So I don't have to input the transfer code before I can be able to send out money, since I opt in for the biometrics. So maybe it was its own end or probably its network issue. So I'm not facing any kind of problem like that. So I just want to walk you through what people are saying about the app, then I'll walk you through how to borrow money from the app. So this is another review which says this app is simply mind-blowing. I make a lot of transfer fees free of charge. I buy airtime at discount rate. It is much more faster than commercial banks when sending out and receiving money. I have never experienced any downtime with using this app. I get compensated when I have a delayed transactions, which by commercial bank standards, it's still very fast. Although I have found annoying that my limit is not upgrading. I hope they can look into that and do something about it. I also have issue about upgrading the account as well. So I just hope they will fix that. So these are the two reviews I just want you to see, and there are also lots more which of course might be also very important, but due to the fact that all these two reviews are not discussing about maybe they are trying to get a loan from the app or not. So apart from that, all you need to do after that is just to click on the open after installing the app. So like I said earlier, I've already do all the registration and I've been using my own Palmpay app. So if you want to just get started and use the app to borrow money, so all you need to do is just to scroll down and you will see credit services, which is the Flexi Cash. And on this particular section, you can see get loan money to 50,000 naira, and which means I can be able to get a loan of up to 50,000 naira. But for you to understand how much you'll be able to borrow from Palmpay, you can navigate to the finance. You can see finance at the bottom here. So on that finance, you see different options here. You see Flexi limit and you see Flexi Cash. So Flexi limit is just my account balance currently. Probably they gift me the 300 naira because I haven't basically used use the option yet. And you can see the Flexi Cash, which means I can actually get a loan of up to 150,000 naira, and this is instant cash, which of course I will definitely benefit from. And you also see how to repay back the loan, auto repay, and customer service. So I always advise people, if you have any more queries or you want to get more idea about what you need, so I will advise you reach out to the customer service to ask more questions about your queries, and then I hope you'll be able to get some solution to any kind of stuff you are facing. So if you also scroll down, you also see 100% guarantee prices and unlimited cash. So they also give out loan to people who are likely to be interested in business or trying to get a loan for business purpose. You also see the Flexi Premium, which is up to 31 days interest-free loan, which of course, if I need that, I can be able to get that. So you can also see, after clicking on that, get up to 31 days interest-free loan. The step one is continually pay bills on time at least 4 times. So, but what I actually need is different. So you see this page has already loaded, and you can also get instant 2,000 naira cash by referring people to Palmpay App. Another one is how to repay the uh, loan. So you also read through this particular section, is also very important. So you can see how to repay the loan which you borrow, outstanding amount. I have no outstanding. How to repay, self-repay. Click the repay button on the finance section. Then you'll be able to click on repay after you request for money from the app. And for a quick reminder, you can live chat the Pampi, and you can also get in touch with them with the email and the WhatsApp phone number or their direct contact, which are the best way to reach out to Pampi if you have any issue. Apart from that, if you want to get to borrow money from the Pampi, then you can just click on the Flexi Cash here at the top. Then you'll be able to see this particular page to apply for a loan. And also you can click on the terms and conditions as well as the privacy policy, so to read through, which are also very important if you want to borrow money from them, so that after getting a loan you won't be like that is not in your agreement. Because I have seen a lot of people who are complaining after getting a loan that they don't know, they just borrow money and all of a sudden the interest rate keep on increasing and all of that. So the best way for you to avoid all this is just to read the terms and conditions of the loan, as well as the privacy policy, which are very much important before you get started to borrow any money from any loan apps. Even aside from Pampi, these are very, very important. So this is the best way for you to apply for a loan, and within such period of time you should be able to get a loan from this app. So you have to tick or check out this particular section so that you'll be able to, that you have read and agree with the terms and conditions and privacy policy. Then you'll be able to apply for a loan, or Flexi Cash loan from this app. So this is how you can get started and how you can be able to borrow money on Palmpay App. If you have any question, you can let me know through the comment section below, and I'm very much happy to reply to your request. Thank you.